Milwaukee 12 volt red lithium T50 stapler. I got this because I was sick of poking staples in by hand. This was $75 online. It's heavy. But we shall see how long it lasts. Am I in the frame? Oh. That's a cute little feature. Right. Perfect. So, to load it, I'm sure they're going to tell you, get the battery out, even though no one in the world's going to do that. Do not load staples here. Load staples inside channel. What? Oh, that was simple enough. Stupid. Oh, cool. It won't dry fire. Obviously. Well, we got stable. Oh. There you go. This is just 1x pine. Let's see. Oh. Ugh. You see that? That wasn't very good. Is this pine? Oh, this is oak. Whoops. But still. Turn up the service factor on this. Turn up to 11. Oh, much better. Bit of a hand workout, but that's okay. Little belt loop. That's an awfully nice tool right there. Everything's kind of nice on it, except the sticker's crooked. I don't know if you can see that, but the molded feature and this and the sticker are nowhere in close. Nice in the hand, a little heavy in this direction. I think they'd put a little more weight up top. It doesn't really fit here in your hand. Kind of wants to pull your hand down. Long this way. I'd say it's 8 inches long, give or take. Good size for my hand, but I bet if you had a smaller hand, this wouldn't be good. This is on the large side, even for a drill. This feels like the standard M12 grip, which I like, but some people complain about. Really nice belt look. In fact, so nice. Oh, it's ambidextrous too. That's a nice feature. Nothing fancy holding it together. Nice and stiff. Some guarding for laying it down, bumping it around. This is all open here, which I think would get full of stuff. Dead tree carcass, like my favorite YouTubers say. Sick. Yeah. Well, let's put a little test together. See how she fares.